Tell me. Tell me again. You're holding your head up high? Yeah? I'm holding my head up like a big boy. Now I'm getting tired because I've been doing it for so long now. Tell me. Tell me. Oh. Oh, I'm so tired, Mama. I'm so tired. Are you going to talk some more? Are you going to talk? Oh, I'm getting so tired. Getting so tired. Andrew. Andrew. Talk to me some more. Hey. I'm about to get tired of this. Andrew.